So shares of New Age Beverage, guys, ran off the chart again today, okay? This has been an outstanding week and really an outstanding month for the beverage company. So over the past month, guys, New Age Beverage has ran up 78% and extremely fast too. And over the past week, 57.01%. That is outstanding. I really think there's three things, driving this company right now, and we're going to talk about that in today's video. But even here, guys, I want to talk quickly about the one-day chart, okay? So they started the day off trading in the 550s and 560s. So right there at close, guys, right there towards the end of closing time, New Age Beverage was trading around $5.79, and then they ticked up around $6 right there at close. But in after hours, guys, this thing got up to $6.80 at one point, got up to $6.85, and now it's ticked back down to $6.61. So, they got a 10% run in normal trading hours and another 10% in after hours. So this stock is absolutely on fire right now. So like I said, there's three main drivers in my opinion that is pushing this stock, guys. Of course, it all goes back to last week on the 3rd of December when they announced the merger with Morinda Incorporated, and it was $85 million, and that made the shares run up almost 20% that day. And pretty much, guys, all that really comes down to was that they acquired Morinda Holdings Incorporated, creating the 40th largest non-alcoholic beverage company in the world with $300 million in net revenue, $20 million in adjusted EBITDA, and $200 million in assets, no debt, and $40 million in cash and working capital. So this really is viewed as a good financial decision for New Age Beverage, and also a reach because they have a lot of reach in the Asia Pacific areas. Shareholders and institutional investors really rewarded the stock on this news. And then, of course, guys, too, back on the 8th, Altria, they bought a $1.8 billion stake in Kronos Group. I actually made a video about that, guys, and that boosted pretty much all of the marijuana and cannabis-related stocks. But I did notice that Kronos, Aurora, and New Age Beverage have all been pushing up since this news was announced. I think it even kind of inspired maybe some speculation that New Age Beverage would get a big investor to come in. So I think the stock kind of ran a little bit just on pure speculation, but it did lift the entire marijuana and cannabis sector. Now here's my explanation for why it ran so hard today. This is my explanation for why it ran 10% today and then another 10% in after hours, guys. Okay, so right here I got the 5-day chart pulled up, guys, and this stock was trading in the $4 range 5 days ago. Now, like I said, it's up over $6.60 in after hours. So what this is, guys, this just is a classic short squeeze. That's all this is. The positive news pushing the stock up. The shorts oversold it for a little too long. The short interest on this stock, guys, coming into this week was around 27%. Now, I don't know what it is updated today, but obviously a lot of shorts were covering on their position and getting out of New Age Beverage to avoid any further damage to their position. Okay, because when you go short on a company, guys, and these stocks start running up very, very fast, if you do not have stop limit orders set in your portfolio, it can eat your margin up very, very quick. And, you can really be hating life, especially, like I said, when a stock runs up 10% in one day and then another 10% after hours. That's 20% to the upside you just lost, shorting this company. So, but I do think it will probably cool back off a little bit tomorrow. So anyways, guys, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching the video.